because everybody been hitting me up about Prince, what's going on with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. And so I have the same premises. Do I own Bitcoin? Yes. Do I own Dogecoin? No. I think I got Bitcoin and Stella or whatever. That is speculating. As a person, somebody come to me and say, hey, Prince, just regular Prince, hey, Prince, man, what you think about it? Should I put some money on? I'm like, yeah, throw $50 on it. Who cares? It's the same philosophy I would tell somebody who was in a 7-Eleven getting ready to buy a lottery ticket. Hey, go ahead, throw something on it. Who cares? I cannot sit back and make an investment because I don't know. I don't know what Dogecoin, you take Dogecoin. I don't even know who the CEO is. I don't know where the headquarters is at. I don't know who's making it. Russia could have it. China could have it. My next door neighbor could have it. He could created it. I don't know if it's real. I don't know if it's fake. I don't know. I don't know nothing about it. I cannot sit down and make an educated investment over any of the cryptocurrencies. It's thousands of them out there, right? Now, I will say Coinbase I do like Coinbase. I do like it as a company. It's financially stable. It's financially profitable. It's at $300 something at IPO. Now, Coinbase, I will be going to. Silvergate, SI. I'm rocking with Silvergate. Riot, kind of sort of with Riot, but Silvergate, the fintech company, I will take you. Riot, I got some of that somewhere in my portfolio. And Coinbase will be added to my portfolio over time, right? So those are the ones. Everything else, I don't know. This stuff is just like it can go in there, it cannot go in. I don't know. When somebody called me and say, Prince, should I invest? I am your client. Should I invest into this? I'm like, dude, I cannot, as a licensed professional, I cannot recommend it because I have nothing to base it off of. I don't know who the CEO is. I don't know where the servers are at. I don't know who's this or whatever. Is it making money? Yes, but I will have to tell somebody you can speculate, throw something on it, throw $50 on it, $100 on it, buy some random. It's thousands. It's literally probably like 10,000 different cryptocurrencies. I don't know which one is which. I tell people going in, just like when I go to casino, when I go to Vegas and I go to casino, I might put something on number 8, number 7, throw something in the field. The dice is roll. I triple my money, double it or whatever, cool or whatever. Person don't crap out, great. If I double or quadruple my money, great. If I don't, I don't. But I'm not going to go in there and be like, hey, I'm going to make an investment into the crap table. And the reason why it's a crap table because there is unregulated. I don't know who is who, what is what in the zoo. But if you're going to go to that space, I tell people go with the biggest one, Bitcoin. That seems to be like the sturdiest one because you always see people buying Bitcoin. I won't rock with that. Everything else, I don't know. So let's see here. Let's see what y'all say in the comments. Marlon Williamson said, how do you feel about Coinbase? What is a good price to get in? Coinbase. Now, price, I got to do a little bit of math. And this is what I would base the price off of. I think Coinbase evaluation is at $1.1 billion, right? Let's take a look here. Let me do a quick little Google search. They put out an S10 report. You know what? Screw it. Let's do it. Y'all want to go there. I'm kind of feeling it tonight. What is, we're going to look at what did Coinbase report as its total assets? What is Coinbase total assets that it reported on this S1 filing? Now, that of course, that has changed because they sold a bunch of stocks today or yesterday. So they, of course, the value has gone up. Now, the thing I will say this. Let me get to this. I'm going to come, I'm going to finish this up and I'm going to get into the Nas topic. Pete for Life, if you're checking in, let me know if you are on here live, Pete for Life, out there in Phoenix, Arizona. If you are checking this in live, please let me know that you're out there because I want to talk to you about that because I think that's very deceiving what people are doing in the media, but that's fine. I'm just going to give you my personal take and, people can live with it or do what they want to do with it. Okay. Coinbase. Let me see. S1. Now, of course, this number is pretty obsolete now. Okay, let's see what we got here. I got to see. What is Coinbase symbol? What is Coinbase symbol? I got it on here somewhere. Give me 1 second while I look up Coinbase stock symbol. Some of y'all probably know off the top of your head. I know they went down a little bit today. Now, the day it came out, of course, I wasn't on it at all. I was like, I never buy IPOs the day of. Now that it's kind of people or the excitement is kind of wearing off, then I'll start to look into it. Come on, what's Coinbase? I know I got it on here somewhere. Why are you trying to hide from me now, Coinbase? Champ. Okay. So, okay, well, I look at it this way. Goodness. I know I had it on here. Okay, what I got? So I gotta pull it up. Is it CO? Oh, it's coin. Yeah. How did I pass that? Coin, CON. Okay. Let's put this thing in alphabetical order. And I still miss it, I bet. Let's see. All right. So Coinbase, let me go back to where I was. Okay. Everything coin. Now it acts like I don't want to pull it up for me. But I don't want to dry out the show with trying to pull this data up. But I'm going to tell you right now. You're right. I see everybody saying coin. I got you, Max. I definitely appreciate that. I don't feel like pulling it up right now. But the thing about it is, I would have to look at what are their total assets of the whole entire company. Now they have gone public, and since they've gone public, of course, they just sold a bunch of stocks. A bunch of people just gave them billions of dollars out the blue. So the assets of the company would climb dramatically. So when I look at the total assets of your company, now I will look at what is your stock price, what are your assets of the company, and then I will compare you to your competitors. Right now, Coinbase doesn't have a publicly traded competitor, so it may be a little bit hard to do that for Coinbase right now. But at $300, um, I think their market cap now is about 100 billion. I would take them. I would take them. I don't know the perfect price on it, but I do like that idea of Coinbase. They're already public. They already are profitable. They are the brand name in the crypto space. They are very easy to use. I have definitely interacted with them before. So I think right now they had a driver's seat right now. So and they're already profitable, so I can rock with them. That's very rare to find an IPO that's already profitable, already making money. So it's at like $325, if I'm not mistaken. At $300, yes, I can. If Coinbase can Amazon this thing, the crypto world, I think it'll be. I consider easily over $1,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, you got to think about when we see high stock prices. A lot of us say, "Man, that's expensive." You got to realize the value. Every time we print money, the value of the dollar is falling and falling and falling and falling. So, yes, today a $300 stock today that looks crazy 10 years ago, right? But today that's kind of the norm. That's not really that expensive. Amazon is 3,000, Google is 2,000, right? Facebook is 3,000. What are the total assets of Facebook? Let's look up Facebook. Facebook is a $300 company. It's not in the Coinbase world, but it's close enough. What's the market cap on Facebook? 874 billion. Man, Facebook is almost $1 trillion company. 874 billion market cap, and it's $300. Coinbase market cap about 100 or something. Let's see. Goodness, well, it's so new. Can't even really see it yet. Can't even see it yet already. I don't think it's nowhere near 100 something trillion. So that tells me right there. Okay, so market cap for Coinbase is 63 billion, but the market cap for Facebook is what, 10 times bigger, and it's the same price. So that itself, let's see, what is Facebook total assets? And we're getting ready to roll into earnings season. Okay, they reported in ending in 2020, they said they had 159 billion in total assets. I'm pretty sure that's not. I'm pretty sure these numbers are reported in millions, if I'm not mistaken. So, of course, I don't think Coinbase is there. So, yes, I do believe $300 is a little pricey for Coinbase right now. I think a more appropriate price for Coinbase, but you got to think about it. Airbnb and DoorDash are 150 something dollars, and they're not even profitable. So I will say something for Coinbase is I'll probably put about three. I would put about 150 would be a more appropriate range. So I do believe they're inflated. They're excited. People are excited about them or whatever, but they are a profitable company in a hot new space that's taken off within the last year or two. So they do get that benefit, but I wouldn't be going to too cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.